Scan directly into SOLIDWORKS with Geomagic. With your scanner connected, start SOLIDWORKS. Select the Scan button in the Geomagic toolset and you can easily scan directly into your CAD environment. Geomagic for SOLIDWORKS supports direct scanning from a range of 3D scanner vendors including Faro, Hexagon, Creaform, Artec, Nikon, and 3D Systems Capture Scanner. Using these tools, the scan point clouds are created directly inside SOLIDWORKS, creating the shape that will form the basis of your solid or surfaced CAD model. Select all the scan files and save to a single folder for better organization and save your new SOLIDWORKS file. You are now ready to convert the scanned data into 3D solids and surfaces. Geomagic for SOLIDWORKS.